Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn login with Google or Apple not working 100% fix. First of all, check your account connection. Make sure your Google or Apple ID is active and logged in your iPhone. Then restart the app. First close LinkedIn and then reopen it to clear any temporary glitches. After that, go to the app store and then see if there is an update button. If there is, update your app to the latest version or delete and reinstall your account info. Will sync automatically. Privacy tip: only use the official LinkedIn app or linkedin.com to log in to protect your account. Quick fix: if it still fails, try signing in through Safari instead of the app. Clear Safari cache, go to settings and contact support for account specific issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more